Hello, my name is Farel Beladin Anindi Halza with NIM 932218119. Represent Group 4 consisting of Ari Kistiah, Nabila Devi Ashifa, Muhammad Isnawan, and Nico Kristianto. Here I will present the main idea from the literature review entitled The Effect of Podcasts and Podcasts Among Motivated Iranian Learners of English, Different Listening Proficiency Levels. This is the main idea we found from the literature review. Motivation is one of the most significant notions in psychology and language teaching. Teachers and students mostly apply the term to describe what causes success or failure in learning. In fact, language learners require the motivation to present primary impetus to begin L2 learning and later the driving force to support the long and often lengthy process. Listening skill is considered as the most frequently used skill in language learning. Efficient communication needs professional listening skills and understanding the spoken from the language. The use of listening to podcasts became limited to class lectures and made them accessible on the internet for later review. Listening to podcasts provides a great opportunity to improve the grammar and listening skills simulation, and it can motivate the learners of the class inside and outside the classroom context. Podcasts are a new way to play audio files on the internet and provide users with many possibilities. Podcasting is the combination of sound records where we will give our resources and play it inside or and outside of doors of the classroom. They are a new technology that finds its own users and is used for variety of purpose. But the use of podcasts is not limited to personal use, and this new media feature quickly spread to other areas. Motivation serves as the primary drive to generate learning and later acts as a function in acquiring a foreign language. The previous studies saw great opportunities to increase the level pragmatic competence with podcasting too. Technologies in the modern century make the language learners to be more interested and encouraged to learn various languages. It will help language learners gain confidence and extend themselves. And this is part of the supporting details. One of these technologies which is available for English learners through the word podcasting. It is one of the newest technologies in the last century. Podcasting mentions writing of subscribing to audio and video file that can be taken and played on one extensive variety of mobile devices, such as MP3 players and iPods. Nowadays, technologies are the main and prominent part of language learning in the world for different levels. Technology can be used as an effective way of teaching and learning for English language learners. That's all my presentation. If there are mistakes, I apologize profusely.